Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive through the Trade Center, which is a very popular office complex on Red Hills Road. It's like mini warehouses, so you have a storefront at the front and then you have warehouse space at the back. So here it is, the Trade Center, and this is Red Hills Road, so we're going to take a quick tour. And the address is 30 to 32 Red Hills Road. Subscriber mentioned that we should put the address of the places, not just the street name, but like the physical address. So we're going to start doing that. Thanks for the suggestion. So as you can see, you have like a storefront, and then you have the warehouse space beside it where you have the glass door, that would be the storefront, and then where you have the metal door, I guess, the sliding door, the shutter kind of looking door, that's the warehouse part. So this is a very popular complex. Not sure why they don't build more like this, but when it was built, it did extremely well. I mean, space could be a factor, but you don't find, it's usually straight plazas they're building now. In the Ferry Industrial Complex, you have something similar like this, but the warehouses down there are much bigger, huge, and they don't have the storefront part like this. But this was a very nice concept. If anybody knows what the rent is like for inside the Trade Center, you can leave a message in the comment section. I'm curious to know, and I'm sure persons are curious to know too. And we have a subscriber, very nice guy, but he always comments, and now when I ask a question like that, his comment is going to be, why don't you do the research before you make a video and you tell us how much the rent is? But as you can see, we make a lot of videos, a lot, and sometimes it's just not possible to get all the information. So if a subscriber knows, you can share it with us. But this is a very nice concept. I like it. And some very popular companies, when I look at the names, you recognize a lot of these companies just by their name. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. So we're going to head back out and go back on to Red Hills Road. Now if we turn left here, we would take Red Hills Road up to Constant Spring Road, and if we turn right, we take Red Hills Road down to Washington Boulevard. On the left is the Alaska Pharmaceutical Division. On the right is the IGT Depot and Training Center, and that's the company that maintains the machines for Supreme Ventures. Supreme Ventures is they operate the gambling, well, one of the two gambling companies in Jamaica. Another company opened recently, but I don't remember the name. But Supreme Ventures has been around for a very long time, and they have the cash pot game, which is probably the most popular gambling game in Jamaica. If anybody knows the name of the second company, you can leave a comment in the section below. But they opened recently. And come to think of it, I can't remember seeing, you know, like when you're driving and you see the sign, Lot of Soul here or Supreme Ventures. I can't remember seeing the name of that other company anywhere. I wonder if they're still around. But if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section. Okay, so at this intersection is Washington Boulevard. You turn left, you take Washington Boulevard down to Mandela, and that takes you out of Kingston. You turn right, you take Washington Boulevard to Dunrobin Avenue, and then to Constant Spring Road, and then that takes you to Halfway Tree. On the left is the entrance to the Calabar High School. Very popular school in Jamaica. The former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson went to that school. Straight ahead on the right is Lee's Food Fair. Very popular supermarket in Jamaica. They have two branches, one here on Red Hills Road and another one in the Boulevard Supercenter. And the supermarket helps make the Boulevard Supercenter one of the most popular plazas in Jamaica. It's a part of the formula that we have. Build a plaza in a populated area, have food stores, and have a name brand supermarket, a large supermarket in there. The one on Red Hills Road is just a supermarket. They don't have it's not a plaza, it's just a supermarket. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.